Welcome back here, where we dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and show you how to turn your passion into profit. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you.
Nice.
We'll be uncovering the top 10 AI websites that offer incredible earning potential, allowing you to make up to $10,000 per month. So, if you're ready to seize this golden opportunity, and let's get started on this journey to financial success. Kickstarting our list is Kaggle, the ultimate platform for AI enthusiasts looking to prove their mettle, engage in thrilling data science competitions, tackle complex challenges, and win cash prizes that could add up to an impressive monthly income. Plus, the exposure gained here can lead to high-paying projects down the road. Appen is your gateway to becoming an essential part of AI development. As a data contributor, you'll play a crucial role in training AI algorithms and earn a steady income with regular data contribution opportunities. Are you ready to showcase your AI genius to the world? Topcoder offers competitive AI and data science challenges that not only fuel your passion, but also reward you with cash prizes. Impress clients with your competition victories and watch as your income soars. While our EV is known for transcription services, it's also a goldmine for AI enthusiasts, completing tasks like speech recognition,
I want to mention
language data collection lets you diversify your income streams and earn extra money each month. Looking to make money in your spare time? Spare 5 has got you covered with quick and easy AI. Tasks like image tagging and data categorization. Your extra income potential has never been this effortless.
That's pretty good.
With ClickWorkers Micro tasks,
What's inside?
including some AI-related ones, you can earn money while honing your skills, tackle sentiment analysis and content categorization, and witness your monthly earnings soar. Connect directly with companies seeking AI talents through remote ML. As a freelancer, you set your rates and work on diverse AI projects that cater to your expertise. On iCrowd, you can participate in AI challenges and competitions that offer prizes and cash rewards. Show off your AI prowess while making money on this thriving platform. Now that you know the top 10 AI websites that can help you earn $10,000 or more per month, it's time to take action. Sharpen your AI skills, explore these platforms, and unlock your earning potential. Remember, success comes from seizing opportunities, pushing boundaries, and continuously improving. So, dive in, embrace the challenges, and let's conquer the AI world together. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Keep learning, keep growing, and let's build a thriving community.